Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I don't have anything that I'm doing like nice today, but I need to still post my weekly videos to try to hit my target goal and stuff like that. So I think what I might do for this video is just do like some driving clips and then probably some like a combination of clips from what I've recorded in the past and stuff like that. So if you're watching this video, I apologize for the lack of content and the lack of context. Check. I know the neighbors are having a wonderful time. I'm not cool today, thank you Jesus, but I'm just chilling, killing. I was planning to go racing today, but then I was like, yeah, I don't feel like going anywhere, so I'm just gonna be chilling at the house. I think I gotta go make groceries and stuff like that, so that's gonna be that. But I still need to post, so here's my post. That I used to do.
Joe also took a shot for him.
Wait, now come in the car since I'm on the clutch. I'm gonna launch the door.
So I'm pretty sure my video looks crazy because I was slipping and sliding everywhere.
Have some clout. I'm looking for it on TikTok only. Only TikTok clout. If you got it, I'm searching for it. Share the screen. Sorry for shouting. Here we go. Oh, left side. I thought the right lane was going to win. Is that a Volvo? I don't think so.
Yo, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I'm gonna post my address. Package just coming from the infomercial call to check. So that means we have headlights. So we're gonna try it on, make sure it's working. And if it's working, we have some activities to take part in this weekend. So this weekend is my birthday weekend, so I'm trying to celebrate from now. Check. Yeah, anyways, wanna try the boat. Alright. Headlights on. This one looks nicer. It's two different headlights, as you could tell. This one will have a dark interior, and this one is like a chrome. But I think so far so good. So by now, usually it will start to flicker and then turn off. So progress ready. Yeah, thumbs up. No? Okay, sorry. The headlights looking nice and clean. This one look good. This one look great. What? Not sure what that was. As you know, it's two different headlights already, so ain't gotta get into that. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm not feeling cold. I'm just chilling, killing, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna just do a collab. Ooh, I'm just do a compilation video and then put it together.